Hi everyone there at Citywide Roofing. My name is Charles and I work and live in Philadelphia for a company called Your Local SEO Professionals. Now, and I just wanted to shoot you a quick customized video analysis of your website. Now, why am I doing this? Well, let's face it, a lot of SEO companies are after your money every day as a business owner because no matter what industry you're in, and I'll show you an article I was reading earlier from Bright Local, 92% of customers visit local business websites when deciding which business to use. Yep, these days everyone is online, and every business wants more customers. A lot of the time, businesses just don't know which internet expert to trust and whether it's affordable or not. So I want to prove myself. I want to start by showing you a couple of things that you can do, actually things that you can do today for free to bring in more customers to your business. So I don't want to waste any more of your time or mine. Let me get started. There are three things I want to talk about, and those are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, content has to do with everything on your website. All the text, all the pictures, the text behind the pictures, what your pictures are saved as. Even this text, they should all be optimized for Google. So what does that mean? Google likes it when you have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of text on your website, saturated with what's known as keyword-rich content. Now, what that means is saturating it with phrases that consumers use to search for your services. For example, I found you by searching for roofer in Philadelphia. Now, that is a keyword. So before I go along with keywords, I want to show you that I put your website through this tool, this free tool online to measure the amount of words, and your word count is about 500. So it'd be important to increase your words and fill them with keywords, saturate them with keywords, maybe by about 1,000 words for your homepage. Now, when I Googled roofer in Philadelphia, one of the first organic results is your competitor, Philly's Finest Roofing. And taking a look at their website, you can see they have tons of text on their page, and they have certain keywords. For example, Philadelphia roof repair, most trusted roofer in Philadelphia, etc. Install shingles, best roofer in Philadelphia, Philadelphia Roofing Company. These are the words that people would type into Google and search for the company. And I also put them into the same tool to see the number of words. They have about 1,000 words. So they're beating you in this area. However, it's very easy for you to edit your website and be ranking higher than them just according to your content. I should say be more optimized for Google than your competitors. That's not a hard task. One other thing I wanted to mention, I use this tool called Ahrefs. It's a popular tool to analyze different websites. And just looking at your competitors, first let's look at your website. And here we go. I'm going to go to organic keywords and see what keywords that you rank for. Now, here, let's say roofing Philadelphia. We have about 100 people searching for that every month, and your position is 12. So that's kind of like the third page on Google. You get about 1.5 people clicking to go to your website because of this one keyword. And if we investigate this keyword and see what domains share its traffic, you'll see Philly's Finest Roofing. Your competitor is at the first position and has a traffic of 35. So 35 people go to their website because of that keyword. You're all the way down here with a traffic of about 1, position 12, like we saw earlier on. Now, just imagine if you would rank higher for that one keyword. Let's say we get to be able to beat Philly's Finest Roofing and grab maybe 30 people from this traffic. So if you can grab 30 people from this traffic, now just imagine if your conversion rate for people who get onto your website is probably 10%. had 3 new people. Now, this is an exercise I like to do. On average, this is just from a website. I googled what's the average cost of roofing. Let's take this lower value of 6,000. So because you're ranking higher than Philly's Finest Roofer for that one keyword, let's take 3 people times 6,000. So you're looking at adding $18,000 simply because of one keyword, of ranking higher in that one keyword. Now, if we look at your competitors, Philadelphia Roofing, Philly's Finest, look at their keywords. They're ranking for many more local keywords, meaning roofing in Philadelphia, roof contractor, Philadelphia, PA. These are buyer intent keywords, people who are looking for this exact service in Philadelphia. Let's take something simple as roof repair, Philadelphia, PA. 40 people per month search for that. They get 11 people per month coming to their website for that. If we were to take each and every keyword and make your website rank for those keywords, would take about, just looking at that traffic, let's say you have 100 more people per month and your conversion rate is 10%. That means 100 times 10, so 10 people, and then multiply that by 6,000, and you have $60,000 extra coming in simply because of ranking these keywords on your website. But obviously in business, it's not okay just to equal your your competitor. You want to beat them. So you'd have to go in and find better keywords in addition to these ones, and make sure your website is saturated with them. Make sure other websites link to your website with that keyword as an anchor text, and you'd be beating them and drawing in more customers. The second thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, if we can just go back to the search. And okay, so I googled roofer in Philadelphia. After you see the Google ads, and Google ads are always hit or miss because a lot of people have ad blockers these days, which will block off ads, and they'll be missing out that part of the market. Below the ads is this area called a map pack, which I'm sure you've seen before if you've Googled it for any service. Now, this map pack includes 3 top companies here. And if you hit view all, you'll be able to see the other companies in the map pack. I'm not sure where you rank, but you're not one of the top ones. So how do you get to be on the top of this map pack? Well, it's what's known as citations. Citations are anywhere across the internet in directories where your name, address, and phone number appear exactly as they appear on Google. So, and by directories, I mean like Yelp, LinkedIn, White Pages, Super Pages, Yahoo, etc., Better Business Bureau, etc. The more directories, the more reliable directories you are placed in, the more Google will tell you are a legitimate business and will place you higher and higher in the map pack. And the last thing I want to talk about are backlinks, and that has to do with the area below the map pack. Now, ranking here is very important because according to Google, 70% of consumers click on the first page of Google. Of those 70, 30% will click this very first result that they see. And then it drops down exponentially. So it's very important to be up here and get more visibility. Now, how do you do that? That's where backlinks come in. Now, what backlinks are whenever your page, your web page, your website is linked to from a different web page. So let's say a forum in Philadelphia on roofing has a link to your page. Someone wrote something great about the service you provided and they link to your page. That's a backlink. Now, using the same tool, I can analyze different backlinks that your website has and your competitor has. Now, not all backlinks are made the same. There's a distribution from 0 to 100 that they can be rated by. We can see here that out of your many backlinks, 270, a lot of them are lower quality backlinks. And let's look at your competitors. Philly's Finest Roofing, they have less backlinks, 105, but then their profile is a little bit stronger than yours. Now, not all backlinks are made the same. For example, let's say a McDonald's is linking to your page. That wouldn't make sense. Google will see that as a spam because you have nothing to do with McDonald's. So what I would do is go into your competitors' backlinks, look at where they are all covered, and go to these websites and make sure that you're represented there as well. I would also go into your backlinks and remove anything that is like a spammy backlink. For example, and let me show you a Cater Street Starter. I'm not sure what that is. I don't know if that has anything to do with roofing. I just want to look at the profile of your backlinks. Like this Russian website, I'm not sure why they link to you, but you can tell that they have no traffic at all. So I don't think it's a very strong website to have a backlink with. Seems like your backlinks are fine, but they're not like I had said before, they're not strong. So it would be incumbent to you to hunt out more backlinks with a higher strength. And in that way, you'll turn up much higher in these organic search results. So those are the three things I wanted to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. You can hand this over to your website person, to your SEO person, have them take a look at this video and implement these steps and get you ranking higher, seeing more clients. If you'd like to save time, I'm very open to partnering and working with you. My phone number is here on the screen, and my email address is charles@yourlocalseopros.com. Thank you very much. I hope this has helped, and I hope you can pull in more clients. Thank you.